Hey guys, Friday, May 2nd, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. So far, she has been doing really good. We've been working on a wave 4, and if this is a wave 4, do a wave 5. So far, she's already getting close to my targets, and one of them is going to be 58 today. Once we kiss 58, I'm closing my longs and see what next week's bring. My calculations are correct. I think we get a down swing next week. Let's look at this is 3 months. If we look at our market profile for 1 month, we're already at the point of control, a little bit above it, but I'm using a Gann technique, thinking maybe 58 it is. So we'll see. Looking at our simple glance, we're above the 200. Nothing positive on the MACD on the weekly, but if you want to go by moving averages, the 371 looks very promising also. We're back in the MOVO, and nice candle to the upside in the weekly. On the daily, let's look over here in the daily. You're above the 20 SMA. You got the 100 right here, which is 370, and the 50, which is 378. I mean, it could continue going higher, but I have a target of 358 today. So if we hit 358, I am closing shop for my long to this wave 4 and then see what happens. Looking at our geometry, we have penetrated the APF, which is promising. For next week, if we retreat and this holds, then that is also positive, because then maybe this was an ABC correction. But if we take out the angles and push lower, eventually we'll fill gap. And then obviously, wave 5 is going to be much lower. I don't know. We're going to take out $2 or 180 or 190 for wave 5. I think it's going to be somewhere around here, but I will have to do some calculations. Looking at our midpoint, so we just hit our, the 75% right here, which is 351. The waves are starting to get positives, and you can see that the CCI never took out 50. So it was kind of indicating that we were just getting a correction, but that we were going to bounce back up. So it's one of those things that is the Elliott wave theory going to be correct, where we go down for a wave 5, or from here we go into May, even June for a high, maybe a double top. I'm not too sure, but it's definitely higher into May and June, thinking that, summer is kicking in. So we'll see. Wow, we're at 56. About to hit my target soon. So let's see. Let's look at the daily. We're above the midpoint of 353, so that's good. Next target would be 369. I don't know if we're gonna kiss that today, but we can. Everything is pretty much rocket, looking like a rocket launch. 57. Oh wow, I'm gonna be hitting my target soon. But yeah, if it gets above 58, then 70, maybe 70 next week. But who knows? I don't think it's gonna go past 58. Looking at our 4-hour, we're definitely above our last quadrant, which is 340. So it's just pushing higher. Maybe it wants to kiss the 200 on the 200 SMA on the 4-hour chart. It's 362, but I have a target of 358, and we're getting very close. And you can see mobiles are positive, Stokes are positive. In the hourly, 357 is our last quadrant. Well, one of the quadrants there, around 358. That's my target there. And if it goes higher, obviously be 363, but I think 358 is going to be it. And everything looks good. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.